Good morning, that's Henny Mechanic. How are you? Yeah, today we're going to do a Ford Fiesta's front brakes. We're going to replace the disc pads, and I hope you find it interesting. Thank you. Yes, I got the vehicle here, and we're going to first take the wheels off. I already got the jack and the wheel spanner here, so we first take the wheel off. I got the wheel off, and there you can see the brake caliper, and strip that and get the pads out, and then we can replace them. I turn the steering wheel. Now we can see the brake caliper from the front. I've got to take these little cups off here to get in there to release the front end of the caliper. It's for a handyman or a mechanic. It's not such a very difficult job to do. It just takes a bit of time. There we got the caps out. Just got to get the Allen key socket to fit there, and then we can release it. You can see there. I don't know if it's going to be very clear to see in there. You've got to go in there with the Allen key to get that out, and then you can loosen it up. And then I've first got to get this anti-rattle spring. Got to get that loosened up, taken off, but we will see how we go. I'm going to take this spring off now, and there, see, it just clips out there. Put it down, and then we come and come around here, and got the right Allen key. There's my Allen key set, and then you go in there with the Allen key nicely, and then you loosen it, and the other one too, loosen it, and just give it a bit of loosening. And then we take the screwdriver and put it in here in the front. We've got to get the piston back on the caliper, so you can fit the new pads. So you press it right as far as you can get it. You can see it's completely in the piston there. Let us just make sure that it's in there. It's in nicely. Now let us just loosen this nicely here, and get that one out. Get it out, and the top one, get it out there. This is not too difficult. Alright, that's out. Put it down there, and we just take the caliper off. There's the calipers off. There you can see there, those are the worn brake pads. So just put it there, and see if I can get it out there. There's the worn brake pad. It's loose, and put that down. Get the screwdriver here. Get the inner one out. It's got a clip on it, like a spring clip that it goes in. You can pull it out. There you can see the inner one, it's got these springs on, and it fits there into the caliper, and then that's it. Now we're going to get the new parts and we're going to put them in and then assemble it again. I got the new parts, so now we can carry on here and see how to put these new pads in. Okay, I've got the video on mode here. You just open this new brake pads, and then out there, look which is which here. Some of them got left and right, and like that one there. Get it right over that hole of the piston, and then just push it into position. That one into position. Pull this over. There, you see that's why you open the pistons. Got the two bolts. Put them in position. Let it just go in. See what is going on here with this. This one goes in. Top one goes in. So why don't bottom one want to go in? Just tap, gentle persuade it to go in. And there it's going in. You can see nicely here now. Hope you can see. I don't want to do the video over again. And just tighten that up. There we are there. Tighten that one up. Don't want to strip it either. Those two little plugs, put them back into position, and then get this what you call it, anti-rattle spring and stabilizing spring, that into position. Get it into its hole. Where's my screwdriver? Got the screwdriver. Get it over into its position. There we are. Tap it in. Make sure it's in. And there it's all done. Bob's your uncle. And now I can straighten the steering and put the wheel on. Okay, there I've done. I just repeated the whole process here on the right side. It's exactly the same as on the left. Finished putting the new pads in and tightening everything up. I'm just going to put the wheel on, and then I can pump the service brake. So yes, let me do that now. So I can open the door and good. Well, I went to go test the car around the block. Saw that the brakes were all in good condition, and all's well. I thank you for watching. Please like and share if you can. And I know there's a few problems with the video and with the camera and lighting. I'm still learning on this, but bear with me. I'll get it right in the near future. Thank you.